Ollie from the Boat Tours. So today we are in one of the most iconic marinas in the world. We're on the Palm in Dubai in UAE. We're looking at this amazing Integrity 55, originally crafted in 2012, then with a small refit in 2022. So we're going to show you on board. We'll see the 3 cabin layout that this boat has. We'll see the twin Volvo Penta 800 horsepowers. You can see the amazing layout of the Flybridge, the bow, and we'll also take this boat out into the water to show how she performs out there and how stable she is in the water. So come on board, have a look around and let us know what you think in the comments. So to the stern of the boat here, we are on this bathing platform, again, full teak in great condition. Currently there's no tender or jet ski on the back, but if you wanted one of those fitted, that's easy, there's enough space. You've got the fittings for the bathing platform and the stairs to get on and off, so it makes it nice and easy to swim. Access to the crew cabin is through this hatch here, so it's a 2-berth with their own toilet as well. Walking up, we've got the safety gate, so great if you've got small kids or animals, and another drop leaf folding table with these seats in. Big seat here, and these really wide and safe stairs up to the Flybridge, or we can take this sliding door straight into the accommodation. Walk with me into the accommodation. So we're going from the cockpit straight into the saloon with those massive sliding doors. So for this boat, it's only 55 foot, but the layout makes it feel a lot bigger. The height is huge in here. You can see how much space I've got in here. I'm not bending down even when I go up the stairs. We've got the telescopic TV this side, all of the electronics and the isolator switches. Another huge seating area here with a fixed table. Walking up here into the port side, we've got this great galley, very social, so you can either have your crew here, or if you want to do the cooking and the drinks yourself, that's amazing as well, because you're keeping in with everybody else. You've got the hob, microwave oven, huge standing fridge, freezer there, and then another dining table here. Helm station, which I'll show you through shortly, and everything this boat has. And then these wide stairs all the way down to the 3 cabins of this yacht. Sitting down at the helm here, also replicated upstairs with all of these navigation equipment and aids. You've got the Axiom 12 Raymarine upgraded here, hybrid touch. You've got the Raymarine auto helm. You've got these amazing side powers, bow and stern thruster. So this boat is really easy to maneuver. You can spin it 360s in the berth or when you're anchoring. Whatever you want to do, you can move this boat very, very easy. You've got the helm here, the compass, and then the twin throttles as well. So these are separate, again, making it nice and easy to maneuver. So walking through to the guest cabins here in the bow, we've got the VIP guest cabin with this massive island berth. We've got the hanging wardrobes, port and starboard, and this natural light coming in these opening portholes. And also we've got the opening hatch into the ceiling. So there's 3 heads on this boat. This particular cabin has its own ensuite with a walk-in shower, marine head, sink and storage. You come back into the guest cabin here on the starboard side with the 2 single berths. Again with these opening portholes, hanging wardrobes, bedside table, splitting those 2, and then walking back towards the saloon on port side, we've got the other heads that's used for that other single guest cabin with the twin single berths. No shower in this one. It is also used as a day head, so anybody who's visiting the boat can come down straight the stairs and straight into this head. So as I was saying before, the master cabin is full beam. It's absolutely ginormous for a 55-foot yacht. You've got the island offset berth, which gives you more space to walk around both sides. You've got these lockers here, your own aircon units as well, keeping it nice and cool in here. You've got the Samsung flat screen TV, and behind you a small sofa so you can relax downstairs in your own cabin. We'll spin you around and show you the heads as well, so you've got your own ensuite and your own shower, so we'll take a look at that. Here's the shower, in the master cabin. Spin you around there. You can see the sink, storage, then the electric marine head there. Here's a small sofa, just got the towels for the boat on at the moment, and a little bit of storage space. Then you've got this big cabinet, and then again this offset island berth with the iconic 3 integrity windows on each side. Down here in the engine room, it's a little bit noisy at the moment because we've got the air conditioning chillers going, but you can see the Volvo Penta D12 800s here, twin both sides. Great space to work on these, both sides, back and front. We've got the Victron Energy battery chargers, and spinning around here you can see the Cummins generator. This side just the exhaust, another chiller, and the battery isolated switches just there. Very nice laid out, easy to get around, water heater down here, so anything that needs to be worked on, serviced or maintained is easy for the crew or the company looking after the yacht. So stepping up into this Flybridge, as you can see, it's great layout with this U-shaped seating here. We've got this folding table with the drinks. On this side, on starboard side, we've got a grill and a sink, and behind me we've got a small fridge. Where you are now, another seating area, so for socialising, for sun lounging, just for relaxing. And then another Flybridge helm station, which I'll spin around and show you. It gives you all the Ray Marine equipment, these upgraded speakers, the upgraded music system as well. Anything you need, everything is up here to helm, also downstairs, and all of this area is in pristine condition. So here we are on this bow. You can see a really great V shape, making it very fuel efficient with these Volvo 800 horsepowers, short-term cruising and also for long-term cruising with this great range that this boat has. We've got the sun lounger here, you can see, and then with these great walkways, both port and starboard, with this teak that has been refurbished, and also a small bit of new teak that I'll show you on the back. Got the electric Maxwell windlass here with the foot pedals, making it nice and easy for the crew to bring the anchor in and out. As you can see now, we are anchored in this bay. Beautiful, very nice and stable, and very relaxing. Well, that's the end of this tour of this Integrity 55. This boat was built in 2012, refitted in 2022. So as you can see, the layout is amazing, the build quality, and then the master cabin of this boat is really, really the highlight. So full beam, you've got that massive island berth as well. Everything you can want in a boat for a family, 3 cabins, this boat has it. It's currently for sale with Bush & Noble, so you can see the full specification on their website, which is bushandnoble.com. Contact them with any questions, or if you want to arrange a viewing, make sure you like, you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time for the next video.